Now we have this differential equation, and they're telling us that the equilibrium -3 is a solution to this differential equation. If you were wondering where that came from, you just set the slope equal to 0, factor out a y, you get this, and then you get that y must be equal to 0, or y must be equal to plus or minus 3. So -3 is definitely an equilibrium. Then, as is shown here, you draw a 1D phase portrait, and then from that you say, okay, well, we have a -3, so let's say this is -3, and we look slightly above -3. So if we put something slightly above -3, this is going to be negative, and it's going to be bigger than this, right? Because -3 to the third is -27. This is going to be positive, because it's going to be a negative times a negative. But it's still going to be smaller than this. So we're going to have something negative if it's something more negative than -3. If it's something more positive, between 0 and 3, well, let's try. If we put -1, for example, we'd get -1 plus 9, because -1 times -9 is equal to +9. So we'd get a positive value here. So this means that this is unstable, because everything is going away from it. So unstable. Semi-stable would have something like this. This is the point, one is going out and one is going in. Variably stable doesn't exist, so this one doesn't exist, or at least we haven't studied it. Asymptotically stable doesn't exist, and so that's the correct answer. Now the direction, okay, I'll do that in the next.